Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited because I haven't done a Boxycharm unboxing in like months. Like, I don't even remember which was my last Boxycharm unboxing. I think it was like October or November. Did I do a November one? I don't think so. So yeah, I just fell off the YouTube thing, but I'm back, you know. And this year I'm gonna have my everything together. I'm gonna have everything together, you know. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. Oh my god, you almost saw where I lived. Yeah. I already opened the box. I already know what's in here and stuff, but I just haven't tried it on, and I wanted to try it on. So yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's just dive into it, shall we? Okay. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Well, as you can see, it says Rock 2018. First thing I'm gonna grab is this, and this is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, and it is $38, I think. Wait, let me double check. Yeah, it's $38. It's an illuminating primer, so hopefully it illuminates my face because I have dry skin and I love looking dewy. Wait, is it a pore filling primer too? Because it said pores no more, so hopefully it reduces my pores because I got some big pores. Okay, so I put on foundation, concealer, and powder off camera, you know, to save time. And the foundation that I use is the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, and like this is a matte foundation, and like the primer made it look kind of dewy. And I like it. So I like the primer so far. The next thing in the box is this right here. This is by It Cosmetics, and it is a brow power pencil. So it's a brow pencil, and it's supposedly universal. Like the shade is universal, so anybody can use it. So I'm just gonna put that on and see how it looks. Okay, let's do our brows. Okay, I just finished my brows and I really like it. Look at how good they look. The only thing I don't like is the spoolie, because I don't know, it just doesn't give me a lot of like spooliness, you know? You know how like in some spoolies like it really gets like a grip when you brush through the brows? This one is like a soft spoolie. But like the product itself, I really like it. This is a win! This retails for $24. So the next thing in the box is this. This is the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. So basically, it's like a palette. Oh, that thing fell off. And it comes with these 3 shades. This is a bronzer, a highlight, and a blush. And they're all shimmery. I already put on some contour on my face. And I'm gonna just dip into the bronzer. And I'm gonna hope for the best. Hope for the very best. Okay? I think it looks nice. I'm not even sure. Okay, let's just move on to the blush. I mean, I like it, but I feel like I put too much on over here. I don't know. Okay, for blush, you know, I'm gonna go in with this blush. I'm so scared, but okay, here we go. I like this blush. This blush is pretty. I thought it was gonna be so scary, but like if you use a light hand, it looks okay, you know? Okay, now we're gonna go into highlight, and I'm gonna use the highlighting shade. I'm so scared, but okay. This is beautiful. Okay, no, but for real, I really like this highlight. It's so nice! What? Okay, this is a plus for me. If you hear my dog barking in the background, it's because my cousin just came. Oh my gosh. So this is $34, and I like it a lot, but the bronzer, I feel like I put too much, and it looks weird. But I'm gonna try it again, like, without putting on too much. Next thing in the box is this, and this is an eyeshadow palette. What a shocker, right? Honestly, I'm so over Boxycharm giving us eyeshadow palettes. We get an eyeshadow palette every month, and I'm tired of it. I'm sick and tired of it. I just don't need any more. I don't want any more. But anyway, I didn't even show you the palette. This is, Glam Metals by Crown Brushes, right? Crown Pro, I don't know. And this is what the palette looks like. You know, it's really nice, you know, but I don't like it. You know why? Because there's only one matte shade, and I don't like palettes like that. I don't like all shimmer palettes. I like all matte palettes, but not all shimmer palettes, because I don't want to, I just like there to be mattes. And there's only one matte color in here, and it's this black one. Like, what the hell? We're gonna try it out. So I'm just gonna use like my contour or something to like put it into my crease. I used this Coastal Scents palette, and I used this color that I hit major pan on, but yeah. Now I'm gonna go into this shade right here because I just love green eyeshadow. It's called Rock On, and I'm just gonna put that on with my finger. Look at this. Oh, I love green eyeshadow. Okay, let's do this. Oh, yes. Wait. Hold on. I changed my mind. Oh my god. This color is beautiful. I'm just gonna go back into my crease shade and like blend it out, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Wicked, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that in my outer V and stuff. Okay, I changed my mind. I like this palette. No, wait, for real. Look. Do you guys see this? Look at that green. I love green eyeshadow. I'm just a sucker for green eyeshadow. You show me green eyeshadow and I'm just like, you know? And I like this. I mean, I like the green shade. I just used 2 shades, this one and this one. But I like another downside of this palette. There's no highlighting shade. Like, you can't put anything in your inner corner or brow bone. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the highlight in this palette and I'm going to put that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Because, yeah, I'm going to take the highlight, you know, and I'm just going to pop that here. And then the eyes are complete, you know? Look at him. I mean, I just did like a simple thing, so. But I love green eyeshadow. The eyeshadow palette is $25. Okay, and then the next thing and the last thing in the box is this. And I'm so excited for this because I've never tried one. But this is the Girlactik Matte Lip Paint. So it's a Girlactik liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Demure. And I'm so excited because, I don't know, I've heard good things. Okay, I'm gonna finish filming the video here because the lighting is getting really bad. Oh my god, this video is a mess. But I like this. Maybe not with this eye look. Maybe I should have used like a different color in the eyeshadow palette. But I like this lip color. And it's really comfy. I feel like it's dried down and I literally just put it on. Oh my gosh, I'm really sick. But anyway, that was everything in my box. Oh wait, the lipstick is $23 and I did the math and the overall value of the box is $144 and that's crazy. So yeah, that's everything I got in my Boxycharm, guys. I'm sorry this is like a weird angle, but yeah, I'm probably not gonna post this, but I probably am. I don't know, we'll see on Friday. But yes, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I promise I'll make better videos next time. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm really sick. I can't even breathe. I need a tissue. Please follow me on my social media. It'll all be down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be next Friday. Yeah, thank you. Bye. I just realized I forgot to put on mascara. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. Much better, guys. Much better. Yeah. Oh my god, this video is such a mess. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching for the millionth time. I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah. It'll be better, I promise. Okay, thanks. Bye. I'm so excited because I haven't done a Boxycharm. Oh my gosh. Also, I'm sick and it's really bad. So I hate putting on makeup when I'm sick because I have a runny nose and it's just. We were still yet to find. I said that you can call me Alex, baby. Welcome to my life. But yeah, I like it. That's my cat. My other cat is on the bed too. Oh, you see her? She's right there. Oh my god, they're like... They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. What the hell? I just saw something out my window. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Where is it? Flor, be quiet.